Hi guys, welcome to the Eat Curious Development Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a 3-bean chili, 60% beef mince and 40% Eat Curious mince. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to rehydrate our Eat Curious mince. The reason we're putting brown and liquid in our rehydration liquid is we're trying to marry up the colour of the mince to the beef. So it's going to be easier to be sort of blended into the dish and less noticeable, especially for the children. So we're just going to pour our brown in over the top, and we're going to let this soak 30 minutes or more. Give that a little mix up, and you'll see it'll darken up and it'll be easier to disguise.
Next up, we're going to dice up our peppers and then dice the onion and finely chop the garlic.
That's our veg prepared. Okay, so now we're going to cook the dish. First things first, get our pan reasonably hot. I've already got oil in the pan. The first thing we do, we're going to sweat off our veg. We're just softening this. We're going to try not to get too much colour into it. There goes the mince. Break that up. And our Eat Curious mince will go in there as well.
Brown off the beef mince in the Eat Curious mince for a few minutes. The Eat Curious mince takes on the colour and flavour of the beef mince really well.
There's some spices. So we've got paprika, chili, cumin.
Then add in your beans and sweet corn.
So now a good stir in. And our chopped tomatoes. And we're going to cook this out for about 5 minutes. Pinch of salt.
Now it's time to serve up the 3-bean chili. We've served with some brown rice, tortilla chips and a garnish of spring onion. But this chili could also work great as a jacket potato topper or served with potato wedges.